Hi everyone, we're back with the Hoover PowerDash Advanced Carpet Cleaner. We're going to be cleaning my kitchen rug today. This rug gets lots of heavy traffic, dirt, and stains. There's sauces and stuff spilled on it. This is the solution we're using, Rug Dr. Pet. I have hot water and the solution in the tank, and we're going to be cleaning the rug and seeing how well this Hoover performs. The machine is sticking because this carpet has a really tight backing that doesn't allow water to pick up very well. It's just going to have to deal with this being stuck in the edges like that. This carpet doesn't allow airflow very easily. Alright, so I'm going to move back a little bit and we're going to clean the other edge, or the other back part right here. All right, those are the dirty passes. So let's see how much dirt. It's a little bit foamy and hard to see, but here's the dirt that we sucked out of the carpet. So I'm gonna empty this and let's do the rinsing passes. All right, so we moved the camera to the other side, and now we're gonna carpet clean in a different direction. Wanna make sure we get thoroughly cleaned. you get this area right here. There's a lot of soap here, here. Now we can go here. For some reason the rug isn't pulling up on this side, maybe because it's stuck under the edges over here. That's my guess anyways. Drying passes. Pretty sure this Hoover has the heat force drying. Drying passes now. Of course the water fills up. I think the rug is pretty dry. I can go over a little bit after camera, off camera. All right, so here's the dirt. It's not as bad as the last one, but overall the rug looks amazing. It has so much color left. You can see the fibers significantly better. It just looks nicer and cleaner. I mean, look at that. So much cleaner. So I hope you enjoyed this video with the Hoover PowerDash, and I'll see you next time.